Hey guys, today I'll be reacting about You Had One Job. Since when there was 9 days in a week? I wonder how did this happen? He really failed on his job to write first. He really wrote thirst. The person who reported this said a friend of mine ordered a picture cake and gave the woman a thumb drive with the picture she wanted to use. I just feel bad. 911, what's your emergency? I can't leave. Oh, what's the problem here? Oh, there's no exit. That means every single person that goes here goes face first into the wall. Wow, just wow. I just feel bad for that guy that's smiling. Alright, let's get into the next clip, guys. Okay. Why would he do that to himself? Like, actually, if you know you could die, why would you put yourself into a stupid invention? I think it's dumb. Like, look at the instant replay. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video, and peace.